Hey guys, my name is Max, back at the brand new video, and today I'm going to be creating a, water elevator thingamajig. So, let's get started. So, first of all, you gotta find out a place where to put it. For an example, like, underwater, or over water, or, underneath water, and it leads to, like, the sky or something, which is basically what I'm doing. So basically, hold up, let me jump off here for now. So basically, this part right here is where I've just started building. And, you should probably build this, like, next to your base or something. My base is, like, 60,000 blocks away, which is, like, right now. Just go die. Die, you monster. Come here. Okay, good. So, guys, what you want to do for this is, so basically, I kind of died with, like, a bunch of glass. This is just going to be a replacement for now, I guess. I'm going to use some stone bricks to, go up. So, let's give this a shot. So basically, first thing that you gotta, make sure you got a pickaxe for them. Oh! Okay. You're kind of interrupting my build, sir. Sir, you're interrupting my build. He didn't drop a trident. Alright, that's fine. Anyway, so once you, almost go up here, which I got distracted by a trident boy. Okay, so now that I'm up here, I'm probably gonna go like that, and then that, and then that. And then after, I'm just gonna break the block here, and then just go down here. So, that was kind of a risky move there. You guys probably shouldn't try that, because that's just, like, insanely risky, and you can, like, pretty much die from that. We're so close, alright? And then boom, boom. And then we just head down here. Perfect. And the thing that you gotta do now is a very important part. So, first we gotta go back out there, which, kind of forgot to. But there's another way to do this. Why is this like... Oh, there we go. So now it's like this. What you want to do is you want to take your kelp, and then you just want to, like, stack it all the way up. This thing. And kelp pushes water, so you gotta get some more water. And I don't have water, so yeah. I'm gonna put a time lapse of me collecting kelp in 3. Okay, so I'm kind of done with my time lapse because I realized that I've got a stack of kelp in my e-chest. So yeah, that's cool. So now I just go up here, just start spamming a bunch of kelp. Oh, that doesn't work. And, oh god, I forgot someone. And then just like, boing. Like, sure, people may... What is this, bro? Alright guys, so back from the time lapse, it's so annoying to do this. Like, literally, you not only need to place the entire water source, but you need to put all this kelp here. So yeah, that kind of sucks. So the final part that you gotta do is take your soul sand. Okay, now what you do, guys, is basically what you're gonna do is you're gonna break all the kelp, and then put some soul sand there. And then when you put the soul sand there, it should just like bring you all the way up. Yep, it does. Let's go. It brought me all the way up, and you get all the kelp from that mission. And now you got a fully functional water elevator. Another thing that you can do is like a drop water tower or whatever. I don't know how I'm gonna call it, but I'm gonna call it that for now. So you can just ride out of it. And I'm gonna see you guys very, very soon, alright? So make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and comment. Okay. Like the video if for good luck to get tridents. Come on. You didn't hit the like button. I'm sad. Okay, anyway, guys. See you on the next video, and I will see you guys very, very soon. Bye.